Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GitHub for issue templates and projects. Easy tutorial step by. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the GitHub website at github.com. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your new account. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, go to your repository where you want to add issue templates. Click on the Issues tab located in the repository menu. If you do not see the Issues tab, make sure that you have enabled it in your repository settings. Now, look for a link that says Set up Templates or New Issue. Click on the Set up Templates link. You will be redirected to a page with template options. Choose a template that best fits your project's needs, or create a new one. If creating a new template, click on Add Template. Provide a title for your new issue template. Fill in the body of the template with relevant information fields. For example, you might want to include sections for description, steps to reproduce, or expected results. You can also add labels. After finishing your template, click on Save Template. Once saved, navigate back to the Issues tab. You should now see an option to use your newly created issue template. Click on it to create a new issue using that template. Fill in any additional details required. Finally, click on Submit New Issue to finalize. Your issue is now logged using your custom template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.